Talking about white balance, what we have to think about is the fact that light is not white. So if we think about a sodium street light, as in this picture here, what we get is an orange light coming off the street light. Whereas if we look at the light coming out of a fluorescent tube, we see that the light has a greeny blue tinge to it, as we see in this picture here. So light has different colour casts or temperatures, and we measure these in photography in a unit called Kelvin. So on our camera, we have auto white balance settings, but this isn't always right. So it's best to know how to actually change the settings for yourself to allow you to achieve the right conditions for the shot and the light source that you're taking the photograph in. My camera has a convenient white balance setting button on the top. You may have to scroll through the menus on your camera to be able to change the white balance. When I press the button, I'm given a range of options on the back there. It's currently set to auto white balance. I can move it to, for example, sunshine, which I would use on a really strong sunny day, or shade or cloud, which is obviously much more typical to our normal British conditions. Tungsten light, which I would use indoors, where we've got a tungsten light source, or a fluorescent light source, which is, say, a kitchen light or something like that. Flash, or the ability to set my own custom setting for white balance.